Today we're testing out the new Chemical Guys products. Boom. It's just a little sprayer, don't need a new power washer. There's the soap. See how she works? So I already went ahead and rinsed off the car. Now let's see. Okay, just lock it in like that. It's not really a foamer, I guess, but it actually does spray pretty nice. All nice and soapy. Get it all up in there. So, let's see what the finished product looks like here in a minute.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
Next up, we're going to be using some bead maker paint protectant. There we go. Pristine Auto Detail told me about this. I use it ever since.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. You open up. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and coke.
Well, I'm not going to use that the water beading stuff on this vehicle just because, I mean, as you can tell, it's an old one. It's not really in the best shape, but I bought it like this, so I'm not too worried about it. I got it for a great deal. Very old truck. I got it with 199,000 miles so far. I believe it's like 210, I want to say. Probably more. Oh no. Wheels are shining though. That's what matters. They're all shiny. Truck runs great. Don't mind the noise. Getting a nice old interior done. She doesn't seem to mind at all. Nah. Yep, everything is looking. Look at that shine. Ooh. Definitely not as clean as the Subaru, but still clean. Gotta love this blue. Here, so just look at the flake in this. Now I understand this truck is definitely old and seen better days, but just the flake that's in that blue is just incredible. Incredible. I love it. I hopefully will own another vehicle with this blue color. We'll see.